Hello everyone, I'm Shubham, founder of PLG OS, and in today's video, we're going to demystify brand consistency by showing you how to build, preview, and apply a custom theme across all your projects in PLG OS. This feature is a game changer for maintaining a cohesive brand identity. So let's get started. Our journey begins from the main dashboard. Then we'll navigate to the Settings menu located on the left-hand sidebar. From there, select the Brand Theme tab. From here, you can create and customize your theme. Add a name, select your preferred colors, choose a font, and upload your logo. Once you are satisfied with your design, click the Save button. To apply the theme to a project, simply go to your campaign's dashboard. Select an existing campaign or create a new one. Use the drop-down menu to select your new theme, and the changes will be applied instantly. Finally, to preview your theme, simply click on its name in the list. This will show you a live preview of how it will look across various components. That's all there is to it. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks.